Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're diving into 5 incredible recipes using leftover whipped cream. From pancakes to parfaits, we've got it all. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get cooking. Alright, first up, we're making fluffy, cloud-like whipped cream pancakes. You're gonna start with 2 cups of your favorite pancake mix. I like to keep it classic with buttermilk. Follow the package instructions for the wet ingredients, usually eggs, milk, and maybe a little melted butter. Now here's where the magic happens. Gently fold in 1 cup of that leftover whipped cream. You want to be super careful not to overmix. We're going for light and airy, not flat and dense. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or pan to medium heat. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown. Top with more whipped cream because why not? Syrup, fruit, chocolate chips, go wild. Next up, let's whip up a super simple and refreshing fruit dip that's perfect for any occasion. Grab a large bowl and combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of that leftover whipped cream. Mix it on low speed until it's nice and smooth. Now, add in a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking, but I find this to be the perfect balance. Mix it all up until it's light and fluffy. Serve immediately with your favorite fresh fruit, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. This dip is so good, you might even find yourself eating it by the spoonful. Get ready for the ultimate winter warmer. Whipped cream hot chocolate. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of milk with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Heat over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture is smooth and steaming. Now, pour the hot chocolate into your favorite mugs and get ready for the best part. Top each mug with a generous dollop of that leftover whipped cream. Seriously, don't hold back. For an extra touch of decadence, drizzle with chocolate syrup, sprinkle with mini marshmallows, or add a cinnamon stick. This hot chocolate is pure comfort in a mug. Need to frost a cake in a flash? Whipped cream frosting to the rescue. In a large bowl, beat 2 cups of cold heavy cream with an electric mixer on high speed until stiff peaks form. Gently fold in 1 cup of that leftover whipped cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking, but remember, we're going for a light and fluffy frosting. Frost your favorite cake or cupcakes with this dreamy whipped cream frosting. It's so easy and delicious you'll never want to use store-bought frosting again. Last but not least, let's create a beautiful and delicious whipped cream parfait. Grab your favorite parfait glasses and start layering. I like to begin with a layer of granola for some crunch. Next, add a layer of yogurt, vanilla, or Greek yogurt. Both work great. Now for the star of the show, a generous layer of that leftover whipped cream. Repeat the layers until your parfait glasses are full. Top it off with your favorite fruits, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts. This parfait is not only delicious, but it also looks super impressive. Alright guys, there you have it. 5 insanely delicious recipes that use up every last bit of that leftover whipped cream. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more epic food hacks and recipes, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Until next time, stay hungry, my friends. Peace out.